This 5-minute solution will show you how to disable turn off Roblox two-step verification in Gmail. So if you turn on two-step verification in Gmail for Roblox, now follow these quick steps to turn off it. So the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Open your Roblox app, make sure to log into your account. Tap on this three dot at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Settings, Security, and you will get Email Secure option here. So to turn off two-step verification in Gmail, disable Email Secure, confirm, and you have to enter the 6-digit code. And to collect the code, open your Gmail or Mail app and you will get the two-step verification mail. All you have to do is just copy this 6-digit code and enter the code here. Tap on verify, and after that your two-step verification in Gmail will be disabled. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.